What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on the Andy Kandola Show. This video is going to be all about Coinbase. This is the newest IPO that I'm looking to go ahead and invest in this coming week. Guys, Coinbase is going to be the largest IPO ever to go ahead and come out. This company is planning to go ahead and come out with a valuation of $80 to $100 billion, and that's going to be the largest company to ever go public. Coinbase is looking to go ahead and have their IPO come out on April 14th, and I am going to be buying this IPO. So in this video, I want to go ahead and break it down, share with you guys everything I know about Coinbase, all my bullish scenarios, all the negative things that I believe can make an impact on the stock, and basically what I'm planning on doing in my investment strategy around this. Now, if you are new to this channel, I do focus on investing in the stock market. I focus on investing in growth stocks, as well as I focus on investing in dividend-based stocks. Now, as far as my portfolio goes, just like every video, I want to keep you guys posted. We are hitting all-time new highs in this portfolio, so I'm very excited to say the current value of this portfolio is sitting at $113,801, and I am up $2,000 just in the last day. So that's extremely nice. Now, in the last week, I am up $3,970 or 3.62%. In the last month, we're up a total of $11,420 or 11%. Last quarter, the portfolio is still down $5,305 or about 5%. And then all time in the last 1 year since I've started this portfolio, it's up about $12,000 or about 20.85%. Now, I do go ahead and put a link in the description with the updated portfolio and all the stocks that I have. Currently, guys, I have right around 32 stocks in this portfolio, primarily divided up 50% into dividend stocks, 50% into growth stocks. So as far as my growth stocks go, I have 50% allocated in my M1 Finance portfolio in growth stocks, and there's about 15 to 18 stocks, I believe, total in there, but I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to see all of those. And then the rest of these pies are going to be split up in all the dividend-based stocks that I currently hold in this portfolio. And the newest stock that we're going to be talking about today is why I'm buying into Coinbase's IPO and why I'm so bullish on this company. Now, if you're not familiar with Coinbase, Coinbase is a cryptocurrency platform where you can go ahead and buy cryptocurrency. Now, with Coinbase, they don't have all the different cryptocurrencies out there, but they have a lot of the major ones, and they keep on adding more and more. Now, with Coinbase, they do have some of the major cryptocurrencies that you can trade with them, and that's going to include like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Uniswap, Litecoin, Chainlink, and the list goes on and on. But this is the largest platform out there when it comes down to investing in cryptocurrency. And guys, there's a couple different reasons why I'm really bullish on this IPO and on this company in general. I do believe once this company comes out, they are gonna go ahead and at least 5x in the first quarter. This company is projected to have their IPO come out at right around $200. And as one analyst has said, he's projecting that soon as their IPO releases, his projection is that the stock is going to jump to about $440 as soon as the IPO literally comes out. Now, I believe it's going to jump to about $800 to $1,000 within the first quarter. They are supposed to be releasing the IPO at $195 per share, but I believe the stock is going to 5x pretty quick. Now, there's a couple reasons why I'm really bullish on this company. The first reason being that Coinbase reported its earnings, and they've had a total revenue jump of 9-fold in quarter one, and they've had a total revenue of $1.8 billion just in the first quarter, which is nuts. Altogether, last year, this company had just under $1 billion in revenue, and just in the first quarter of this year, they've already done that, and they've already almost doubled that just in one quarter. And if we look at just quarter over quarter, comparing Q1 this year to Q1 of 2020, they're up 9-fold. So this company is doing extremely well as far as the revenues go. And with Coinbase, they're really set up for success here because they're the easiest platform to go ahead and invest in. As I started investing in cryptocurrency, this was the platform that a lot of my friends suggested to go ahead and start with. And when I compare Coinbase to a lot of the other platforms, and some of their competitors include Gemini, include Kraken, BlockFi. I mean, there's a lot of other competitors out there, but at the end of the day, Coinbase's interface is second to none. They have the cleanest interface, and it's the easiest way for a new investor to really get their hands into cryptocurrency because they just make it very easy, and the user interface is just very clean. Additionally, with Coinbase, they're one of the safest platforms to go ahead and invest in, and they're one of the only platforms that you can actually go ahead and invest in cryptocurrency if you live in New York State. And New York State, guys, is one of the hardest states to go ahead and pass through all the regulation to actually get accredited in the state. So that's a positive as well. Now, if I just share with you guys my portfolio with Coinbase, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys here. This is basically my portfolio. As far as my portfolio goes, I don't have too much invested in Coinbase right now. I do have Cardano. That's my biggest investment and my only investment that I have with Coinbase currently. And Coinbase actually just started letting you invest in Cardano. So there's a lot of different coins that they're actually adding to their assets, so you can go ahead and start investing with them. But the nice thing with the platform is that the user interface reminds me a bit of Apple. Apple keeps it very clean, keeps it very easy for their users to go ahead and invest. And with Coinbase, it's very similar, where it's really easy for anybody to just pick up their phone, download the app, create an account, and start investing. Plus, guys, as Coinbase goes ahead and keeps adding to all the different cryptocurrencies that you can start investing in, if you're bullish on cryptocurrency, this is a good way to go ahead and invest in cryptocurrency without choosing the winners and losers. Now, I do have other investments with some of the other platforms out there, and I'll share with you guys why I actually switched some of my other cryptocurrencies to these other platforms. But in general, if this platform goes ahead and comes out with some of the same features, which I know they're gonna, it's just because they're going through all the regulatory moves, it might take them a little bit longer. I'm going to probably transfer all my assets right back to Coinbase. Now, the other nice thing that I will say about this platform is this is really putting cryptocurrency on the map. Coinbase will be the first major cryptocurrency company to go public. This is a direct listing on the NASDAQ. It's the first cryptocurrency, and there's going to be a lot more to come. So they're really the innovator when it comes down to cryptocurrency. Right now, you can trade about 50 cryptocurrencies with Coinbase. And guys, right now, Bitcoin has hit over $1 trillion in market cap, and I believe Bitcoin's going to hit over $10 trillion in the next 5 years. So that just tells you the potential with Coinbase, because they're correlated with cryptocurrency, and just with one cryptocurrency like a Bitcoin going up, it's going to go ahead and affect Coinbase's price. But the bigger bet here is, if you don't want to invest in one particular cryptocurrency and you want to invest in the overall asset class, that's where I see the bigger potential, because as NFTs and as Cardano and maybe some of these other cryptocurrencies get bigger, and you don't want to go ahead and take the risk on one particular type of cryptocurrency, Coinbase is going to let you go ahead and invest in the whole asset class. So those are some of my very bullish reasonings why I really do like Coinbase. Now, some of the reasons why I transferred over some of my assets from Coinbase and some of the features that I believe Coinbase still needs to go ahead and bring is they need to start paying interest on some of their assets. Now, with Gemini, with BlockFi, with some of the other platforms out there, they're actually paying you interest on your Bitcoin. With Gemini, currently, they're offering over 2%. It just changed, actually. They used to pay about 3%, but now they reduced it down to 2%. And with BlockFi, you can still earn about 6% on your interest in just Bitcoin. That is the reason why I actually transfer some of my assets over from Coinbase to the other platforms, is purely because of the interest feature. I do believe Coinbase, once they go ahead and go IPO, go public, they're going to start bringing out some of these other features. And with Coinbase, you can get on their debit card waitlist. I believe they're also going to go ahead and come out with their credit card. They recently did go ahead and come out with their loan option, where you can actually go ahead and take a loan against your cryptocurrency. However, the interest rate on that was pretty high. The last time I looked at it, I believe it was right around 8%. But as Coinbase starts releasing more and more features, it's only gonna get people to stick with this platform and to just keep investing more money, because this is the safest platform out there and their user interface is second to none. I still would come back to Coinbase in a second, as long as they came out with some of these additional features, which to me is the only negative that I really see with with this platform. And as long as they stay innovative, they go ahead and let other cryptocurrencies come on the platform and you can start trading in some of these other assets. It's going to just keep bringing more and more people to this platform, where if you're interested in a particular project and you want to invest in that project, once Coinbase comes out with it, people are gonna just go ahead and transfer all their cryptocurrency back to Coinbase. So very, very bullish on this company, very bullish on this IPO, and I'm very excited to go ahead and invest. Now, as far as my investment strategy goes, I am gonna go ahead and just dollar cost average into Coinbase, and this is gonna be one of the newest stocks that I'm gonna go ahead and add into this portfolio. My goal is gonna be to go ahead and invest a little bit of money when the IPO comes out, and then weekly go ahead and dollar cost average and invest a bit more. Now, it is gonna probably jump after the IPO, but eventually after the first quarter, I believe the price is gonna go ahead and settle down. But long term, this is a 10x stock for me. In the next 10 years, there's no reason in my mind that I see that the stock will not 10x. But because of the hype, I believe the stock is going to jump really quickly. It's going to probably 5x in the first quarter, in my opinion. And then it's going to go ahead and level out. And then it's going to go ahead and 10x over the next 10 years. So my opinion is just to go ahead and keep dollar cost averaging in a particular stock like this. And I will say, with their CEO, Bruce Armstrong, he's very committed to growing this company, and he is a very disciplined investor, and he's all in on this company. And I just do believe that he's going to grow this company to be a lot larger and a lot bigger. So that's another positive, because I do like to go ahead and believe in the CEOs that I'm investing in, and just their overall scope and their overall commitment to the growth of the company. So thanks again, guys, for watching. If you do want to go ahead and keep up with all the different stocks that I go ahead and invest in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you are interested in investing in Coinbase's IPO, let me know what you guys think around that. If you're interested in investing in Bitcoin itself or investing in cryptocurrency, you do actually get $10. Hey, it's a quick affiliate link, so I gotta plug it real quick here. But if you're interested in that, I will leave a link down in the description where you do get $10 when you go ahead and sign up with Coinbase. And if you're interested in M1 Finance, you actually do get $30 when you go ahead and sign up with M1 Finance. It's a limited time offer. I'll leave that down in the description below as well. But thank you again, guys, for watching. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Until next time, I'll see you guys at the next one.